Hello everyone, Javende here. Today I want to show you some pin tumbler lock from Japan. This is Go P 6-pin tumbler. Very interesting and very fun to pick. Okay, so I will show you key. This is the beating of the key. As you can see, it's quite fun. Low lifts and high lifts. This beating is comparing with these pins in that way, and I will show you the pins. Key pins are torpedo, something like that. So when you do overset, you must reset all pins because they don't drop, and you will have to start again. On some max lifts we can see pretty standard with some tapering, but this tapered as not as effective. But drivers are very interesting. Drivers are gin bottle spools, and gin bottle spools with very thin and sharp lip at the end. Also we have mushroom driver and gin bottle spools with this that longer, and it's working like a spool, giving counter rotation. Those gin bottle spools work very well and very effective with this core. I don't know if it can be see. We have on each core we have over milling, and under over milling we have counter milling. So on each key pin chamber we have two barriers that we must force them, and this lock has little less tolerance than Goal Z, so my picking strategy is just force those pins through the this counter milling and over milling. On both sides we have two holes for the springs and ball bearings. Those ball bearings is for the centering core in the housing. On the housing we have two holes for those ball bearings. Yeah, that will be all from the internals of this lock, and let's go to pick. Everything is working, so let's try. nothing. Nothing was dropped. Pin number 5. Check. 1 good, 2 good, 3 good, 4 seems to be good, 5 is good, now 6. Six is good, but something was dropped. 4. 1. 'Okay, we have opened spin number 3 was dropped, so now let's get this guy. We have lock in this housing, not format, so I will speed up this video. One ball bearing, second, one spring, and second spring. Okay, so we have it. Goal P with 6 pins picked and got it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Cheers.